Here is the Chinese lantern that buy from outside. Now I am going to DIY this lantern with some beautiful flowers and some leaf. So let's go to make it. Here are all the artificial flowers and leaf that I am going to use in this project. At first, I am going to tie the leaf with this tiny wire. And now I'm going to take out the flowers and glue it on the lantern. Use hot glue. After that, I add some leaf around the flowers. So it's look like naturally the leaf come out from the flowers. Also, I use some flower buds put around the flowers. Hey, if you're new in my channel, wow, that's great to have you here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you're not going to miss any of my video like this. And now I'm going to add some small flowers that I think to need to add. And this is the second one that I use different type of leaf and flowers. And here also same technique. At first tie the leaf and glue the flowers. Use hot glue. Also I use some flower buds put around the flowers. Here I use the same flower leaf put around the flowers. And now finally install the accessory that come with lantern. Hey guys, comment below which one do you think more beautiful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Check out my channel for more flowers DIY videos. And finally, thanks for watching.